Hello! Hi guys, today I'm Jana and she's my BFF Jumina and today we are making...
We're not making, guys.
We are
Today doing some... Okay, by the way, guys, let me explain. She has a blindfold in her head, like an idiot. Or sorry. Okay, we have some things in here, and then she has to be blindfolded. And she's gonna do something. She's gonna clean me, and she has to stare some, and it's gonna be worse. I think let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So blindfold.
Okay, let's get started.
Oh my god, how scary.
Okay, I started.
You don't see anything?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll give you first Vaseline.
There. What I'm doing?
You have to put it on my lips.
Oh my gosh, is this too hard?
And you're gonna put my hair.
Sabi ko sa hindi ko alam eh.
Kahit na. Actually, don't know, guys. We speak Tagalog.
Start na yun. Ano saan ka na eh?
Bilisan mo! Sige, raya mo na. Napunta sa email ka. Just get on my... Just get started. Stop opening
Okay,
your
done.
blindfold. Okay, next is cotton bands.
Oh, kaban. Ba't cotton batch? Oh, mamaya patusok pa kita. There.
This is so funny. Like, it's so tickly. As you go.
Okay na. Ano ba?
Dito, oh. Dapat yung blindfold, no?
Okay then.
Ano ba? Di mo pala ano sa tenga ko eh. Gilinisin mo.
Okay.
Come on!
Go.
Akin na nga yung kawain mo. Blindfold. Ay, linis. Hindi pa nga eh. Huwag mo na. Sige, go.
Okay.
Okay, the next naman, next. Yung dito. Oy!
Ano?
Bilis! Ito naman. Sa isa kong tenga.
Okay, kamay ka. Okay na?
Ah, wait! Di ba?
Wait lang.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, next, lalagyan mo ko ng perfume. Ayan, no?
Bago mabuso sa mga damit mo.
Sige na, bili.
Ta. Tapos hindi mabubuso.
It's so funny. It's so funny. Oh! That's too much.
Okay.
That's too much, guys.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Ayaw mo na. Okay, next is hairstyle.
Hairstyle. Okay na.
Uy,
Okay na. Today we are done.
Sige na. Stop it. This is
And then
the...
we're watching our video.
Sige na, mag-blindfold ka na. Tapos ano mo na yung buhok ko.
Paano? Eh, wala akong... Hindi ko alam.
Kahit ano. Basta maganda lang. Okay, guys. She's gonna do my hairstyle. This is gonna be... Okay, dito ang yung buns.
Hindi na.
Ito,
Alright.
suklay mo muna.
Ito? Susuklay ko. Ba ito? Hindi nagsusuklay itong babaeng to? Tingnan mo kapag... Sinagsuklay. Okay, mahingi. Yellow.
Hindi pa tapos. Suklay mo na maayos.
mukbang challenge.
By the way, guys, make sure to thumbs up, cause if we get 140 thumbs up, I'm gonna do a blindfold. So yeah. Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to
Color yellow na tali.
get yellow.
Okay, so, ano ba yung gagawin ko? Pahinga ng suklay. Naisip ako. Hindi ba narin tenga ba? Kasi baka isa lang to basta Wait lang. Isip ko talaga. Ano ba itong Jamil? Nagsusuklay ka ba? Uy, Jamil, nagsusuklay ka ba? Naku, nagtitinig sa salita. Ayaw salita.
Nagsusukli ako na crazy lang. Bilis mo, gusto ko manood ng ano.
Hindi manood ka bang sinagsuklay? Ka talaga mukhang nagsusuklay.
Kasi hindi mo naman sinusukli ng maayos ko. Aray ko!
Hindi ka kasi nagsusuklay.
Ikaw kaya ang dahilan.
Bakit ako dahilan? Di ko ba susuklay? Ako na nagsusuklay. Dito na, parang hindi ka na pabalik-balik kumukuha. Saan na ba yung tali ko? Ito. Ano ba? Okay, second. Aray ko. Tapos na ako.
Okay. So guys, this is our I kind of like it, but the thing
Ito yung
is,
laging ginagawa sa akin ni Mami.
the thing is, it's so funny. So
Okay.
guys, that is for today, guys.
Sorry.
So guys, that is for today. And if you want me to do it for her, make sure to like and subscribe. So bye. Mwah!